Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to my podcast Sangrila with Ila Anand Acharya. Thank you so very much for the amazing response I'm getting on my podcast on this new season 4, which is based on the book The 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma. Thank you so very much. So today's episode is again the continuation with learning the protocols how to inculcate new habits. So today's title is the lifetime habit arc. Yes, so today's episode number 13, and over here Robin Sharma has explained the 4 cyclic steps which will then lead to a lifetime habit. It can be any habit you want to install into your daily routine, but if you will strictly follow these 4 steps, this 4 arc, which is like a life cycle, which will just one after the other, it will feed each other, so that you can continuously be in your habit and keep practicing your habit. So the arc goes as the first step is the trigger. Then the trigger will feed into the ritual. The ritual is feeding the reward, and the reward is feeding the repetition. And again, the repetition is giving a trigger to the new habit you want to install. So in such a manner, an arc is formed, which is known as the lifetime habit arc. Now, to form habits, your starting point is to create some kind of trigger. That is some reason, some strong reason you should have to form a habit, and that is the very first thing which will push you to wake up, or which will push you to form some habit. So here I want to have this, that is in 5 AM Club he insists us to wake up early in the morning at 5 AM and then start our morning ritual or daily ritual, which he calls it as victory hour. So it is very difficult for many people to wake up early in the morning. So first thing you have to remember is that why should you wake up? What is the reason? Why should you really want to wake up? Just waking up and doing nothing and sleeping after 1 hour? No, it's not like that. You should have a real reason, a real trigger point. That is why. So for example, in my case, that is, I am waking up early in the morning as soon as my alarm goes on at 5 AM. Then I follow this 20-20-20 formula given by Robin Sharma. And this what I am doing because I am a certified life coach, and I want to be a successful, a very famous, and a very reliable, who helps people, who makes their life very easy, very friendly, very comfortable and happy and successful. That is my main goal. That is my motto in life. That is my passion, actually, helping others by the all the knowledge which I am having. So this is my trigger point. So every day I am waking early in the morning at 5 AM because I know today I want to help these many people, and that is my trigger point. Accordingly, if you want to wake up, you should have a passion, you should have a trigger point which will make you to rise early in the morning or to form any other habit which you want to. Now, for example, here I am concentrating in this process of waking early in the morning habit. So as soon as your alarm goes off, that is alarm rings, you have to wake up immediately within 5 seconds. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the count of 5, or you can back count also, like count down also, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you have to just wake up from your bed, and you have to just get down from your bed, because that is a very crucial moment. That is why it is said that you should not keep a digital clock near you where you can snooze, or mobile. So what I am doing is, during the night when I'm sleeping, I keep my mobile away from me. So as soon as the alarm clock rings, I have to wake up and to get down from the bed to at least switch it off. So once I'm out of my bed, I can now be strong enough to follow my rituals. So you have to also do that. Then it is your choice, because it is your choice to stay in the bed or to stand up and to follow your goal and to start with the morning ritual. So it is very, very important to follow that 5-second ritual. Now, all changes is hard at first, messy in the middle, and gorgeous at the end. So next step of this 4 pattern to program a new ritual is to make sure you have a preset reward in place. Okay, because once you wake up, once you start your ritual, but after the ritual you should, as you have done a good job, okay, as you have done a good job of waking up early in the morning, following your ritual, then you should reward yourself, and that reward could be anything. It should be pleasing to you. It should make you happy. So it can be a nap in the afternoon. It can be a chocolate which you want to eat for a long but you were not eating. It can be to buy something for you. So the reward is very, very much important. See, it always use the power of reward for the advancement of your triumphs. The reward can be of your choice. It can be very small thing or a big thing. It depends on you. The way to annihilate the weakest impulses of your lower self and to free yourself of the cravings and temptation that are blocking your best is through ceaseless repetition of the new behavior you are working hard to install. Repetition is the most important 4th point of this cycle, because once you start doing it daily, it will automatically become your habit. So remember, early in the morning, as soon you wake up, what you brush your teeth, because this is you are doing repeatedly daily. So it is a habit. Okay, you take bath, you go to washroom, whatever you are doing, you are doing it daily. You have your breakfast, you do lunch, you do dinner, all these are your habits. Okay, you do it daily because you do it repeatedly. So this you have to make sure that repetition is playing the most important part in your habit formation. The word that comes to mind is steadfast. So be steadfast in your commitment to remaining a lifelong member of the 5 a.m. club. I am committed to being a lifelong member, and I hope you will also commit to be a part of it soon, once you will start slowly forming a habit of waking up early in the morning. And many other habits can then be installed, which will help you to grow, which will help you to live a very happy, healthy, world-class lifestyle. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please contact me on my social media accounts. I'll be very grateful to help you. Thank you so very much.